Our home, planet Earth. It's a truly remarkable place, with a diverse and complex nature that has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Let's take a closer look at some of the incredible features of our planet. At the equator, Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles, making it the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Earth is located about 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles, away from the Sun, which is also known as 1 astronomical unit, AU. Earth has a mass of about 5.9 septillion kilograms. Earth has an average density of about 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter, which is the second highest of any planet in our solar system, after Mercury. Earth's density is what gives it its strong gravitational pull, which keeps us firmly on the ground. Earth has a diverse surface with mountains, valleys, deserts, oceans, and polar ice caps. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, and the remaining 29% is land. Earth's temperature varies widely depending on location and time of year. The average temperature at Earth's surface is about 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, but temperatures can range from well below freezing in polar regions to over 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit in some desert regions. Earth has a strong magnetic field that is generated by the motion of molten iron in its core. The magnetic field helps to protect Earth's atmosphere from the solar wind, which is a stream of charged particles that flows from the Sun. Earth takes about 365.25 days, or 1 year, to complete one orbit around the Sun. Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, which gives us our day-night cycle. The Earth's atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the planet. It's made up of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases, such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and argon. The atmosphere is essential for life on Earth, as it provides us with the oxygen we need to breathe and protects us from harmful radiation from the Sun. The atmosphere is also responsible for the weather and climate on Earth. It's divided into several layers, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. The layer closest to the Earth's surface is the troposphere, where all weather occurs. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer that helps protect us from harmful UV radiation. Beyond the stratosphere is the mesosphere, where meteors burn up as they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Finally, the outermost layer of the atmosphere is the thermosphere, which is the hottest layer and contains the auroras and the International Space Station. Earth is made up of 3 distinct layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is the outermost layer and is made up of solid rock and soil. It varies in thickness, ranging from about 5 to 70 kilometers thick. The continental crust is thicker than the oceanic crust because it contains high mountains. The mantle is the thickest layer of Earth and extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. It is made up of solid rock that is hot and flowing, but not liquid. The outer core is a layer of molten iron and nickel that surrounds the inner core. It is responsible for generating Earth's magnetic field. The innermost layer of Earth is the inner core, which is a solid ball of iron and nickel. It is about 1,200 kilometers in diameter and is under immense pressure, with temperatures reaching up to 5,500 degrees Celsius. The different layers of Earth have different physical and chemical properties, which are responsible for various phenomena such as plate tectonics, earthquakes, and the Earth's magnetic field. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, and it has been a subject of fascination and study for centuries. The Moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth and is located an average of 238,855 miles away from Earth. The most widely accepted theory for the Moon's formation is the giant impact hypothesis, which suggests that the Moon formed when a Mars-sized object collided with Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. The moon orbits Earth once every 27.3 days, and it takes the same amount of time to rotate on its axis, which is why we always see the same side of the moon from Earth. The moon's surface is covered in craters, mountains, and valleys. It has no atmosphere, and its temperature can vary widely depending on whether a particular area is in sunlight or shadow. The moon has a significant effect on Earth, including causing ocean tides and stabilizing Earth's rotation. It also plays a role in eclipses, both lunar and solar, which have been observed and studied for centuries. Unlike gas giants such as Jupiter and Saturn, Earth does not have a traditional ring system. However, in recent years, scientists have discovered that Earth has a very faint and diffuse ring system made up of tiny dust particles. Earth's ring was first discovered in 1961 by a team of scientists studying the zodiacal light, a faint glow of sunlight scattered by dust in the inner solar system. Earth's ring is made up of tiny particles of dust, ranging in size from a few micrometers to a few centimeters. These particles are believed to be the remnants of comets and asteroids that have collided with Earth's atmosphere over time. Water, atmosphere, magnetic field, and even the shape of the Earth are all fascinating features that make our planet unique. Here are 6 interesting facts about the Earth. First, did you know that water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface? No other planet in our solar system has as much water as Earth. Second, the Earth is not a perfect sphere, but rather an oblate spheroid. It's flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. Third, Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has an atmosphere containing oxygen. This is due to the presence of plant life that produces oxygen through photosynthesis. Fourth, the Earth's magnetic field is generated by the motion of molten iron in the outer core of the planet. This magnetic field protects the Earth from harmful solar radiation and helps to maintain the atmosphere. Fifth, the highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, which stands at 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet, above sea level. It's located on the border of Nepal and Tibet. Finally, the Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down due to the tidal forces exerted by the moon. As a result, the length of a day on Earth is gradually increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. These are just a few of the many fascinating features that make our planet unique. As we continue to explore and learn more about our planet, we can better understand its complexity and significance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.